preparation for this tournament has been actually pretty long for the whole season and started already last year, and this year we don't have so many tournaments, so we had a plenty of time, and now we are just really looking forward to play these tournaments.
We were playing here at the Under-22 European Championship, and
we had 5 games, so
yeah, it was
good start, and now we are looking forward to play.
We really like the Austrian tournaments. Here is a special, friendly atmosphere. What is nice, the people are really friendly. And what is the changement for this year? That normally it has been a lot like rain, and this year it seems that we are having really sunny weather, so we are excited about that.
Oh well, it's great this is our first time here in Austria, so it's really nice to get play. And it's perfect, the venue and everything, so.
People are nice, really nice.
Terkkuja Suomeen ja seurailkaahan meidän pelejä, ne tulee näkymään tuolta Laola TV:stä ja kannustakaa kovasti.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Laulat auki ja kannustakaa meidät Baden Masterin pääturnaukseen.
Yes.
Okay.